Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review another product from Warrior Plus, which is called Flare. This Flare is going to be launched on 21st of June 2021, and this is kind of a software plus money making machine as they claim. So I agree with first part only, so this can be considered as a software only. This should not be considered as a money making machine. I'll explain everything step by step with proofs. I'll prove it to you, and then then you can decide what you want to do with this software or with this product. So this video might get long because I'll have to explain a few things to you, so make sure you stick till the end. And before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel as well, because the purpose of this channel is to save you the money instead of losing. All right, if you lose the money, don't watch the video, go watch something else. If you want to save your money, stick till the end. All right, now let's take a look at the headline here. It says how I make $20 payments over and over every time someone clicks their mouse, even if they don't buy anything. Okay, so if I don't explain this heading to you, or if you don't have done your own research, then this is quite confusing, right? So they're saying they're making $20 per click, no matter if somebody buys something or not. So this is technically AdSense. They're talking about AdSense, Google AdSense ads on your blog. So if somebody visits your website and they click on your blogs, you might have been collecting pennies. You might have been collecting few cents only for per click, but they're talking about how you can make even up to $20 per click if somebody clicks on your ad on your blog or website, etc. Now the concept here is that they're asking you to choose some high Cpc keywords. High Cpc means that the cost of those clicks is very high. So for example, if you talk about insurance leads, if you talk about credit leads, if you talk about business leads, so these keywords are high competitive, which means that if someone is looking for an insurance, and if they end up clicking on the insurance ad on your website, so the AdSense will pay you maybe $5, $10 for one click, because the person who is advertising it on your website, that person is paying AdSense a lot of money, like $10, $15 per click. So these are high CPC, cost per click keywords, which you need to find. They have a training inside. It's 11 minutes, only one video is there in the dashboard inside. There's a dashboard here, as you can see. This is a dashboard. We'll come back to this dashboard in a moment. Let's go ahead and understand what this product is going to do for you. So first of all, they're saying that you have to focus on finding high competition keywords or high cost per click keywords. Now, how do you do that? There is no in-depth training regarding that, but yes, they do talk about keyword explorer. So you go to Google Ads keyword planner, and then you put in your keywords there, and then you choose those keywords which are high competitive, like high CPC. At the same time, they are not very competitive, because if they're competitive, your websites, your blogs are not going to rank. So they're trying to mix two things together. First, they're asking you to choose high CPC keywords, and then they want you to choose low competition keywords as well, so that your blog can rank in Google search. Because if you choose high CPC keyword, and that is also a high competitive keyword in search rankings, then your blogs will never rank. Okay, so this is first part of the software. This is the concept behind this software, how these people are going to launch this software. This is what it does. So it's going to actually pay you when somebody clicks on your blogs and on AdSense ads. Okay, so this software is going to create some automated sites for you, and you are supposed to have content on your website related to your niche. And once somebody visits your blog, then if somebody clicks on the ad, then you're supposed to make money. It's quite a lengthy process, and it's quite confusing for you if you don't know what I'm talking about right now. So let's say if I open up a WordPad here to make you understand. First of all, these people are going to create a website for you. Okay, and that website is going to be inbuilt in the dashboard. So let me increase the fonts here. Right, so first these people are going to create a website for you in the dashboard, and once you have that website live, they're going to scrape YouTube video content. So they will find those common creative YouTube videos related to your niche, and they will just copy the transcript of that video onto your site. Okay, transcript. Right, so this is the second step. So this is how they give you content. All right, so you have a blank website. When you go into dashboard, you choose your keyword, and then you make your website, let's say weight loss dot something something. So you have your website ready. Now you need content. So for content, they are scraping or they're extracting the content from YouTube videos. That means all those common creative videos which are there on the YouTube, you can actually download the transcript and use it on your blog. It's an old tactic. Everybody's doing that, if you know that. So yes, now in that case, you have to make sure that the content is unique. If it's not unique, you'll have to make some changes and do it manually. Okay, so this is the second step. First, get a website. Second, scrape the content from YouTube videos, and then third is, or maybe before even this happens, you have to go for high Cpc keywords with low competition. Okay, so this is where you have to use your brain. This is your homework. They're not going to help you in this. So first you need to make sure you find those keywords to write your articles about. So let's say how to lose weight. Now how to lose weight is a very high competitive keyword. It does have high CPC, but your new website, new blog will never rank for this keyword. Okay, so what you want to look for is maybe how to lose weight after pregnancy, how to lose weight after knee surgery, how to lose weight after abdominal surgery, whatever the keyword is. So you have to find such keywords, and then you have to check what is the cost per click in AdWords, Google AdWords keyword planner. And once you find high CPC could be that somebody is paying $10 to run those ads in Google Ads. Okay, so if you find such keywords which are paying up to $20, $30, $40 for one click to Google Ads, that means Google will pay you 68% of the revenue share. So if a keyword, or maybe if an advertiser is paying $30 to Google for ads, and if somebody clicks on your ad on your website, that means you will be getting some around $20. Okay, that's the concept here. So you'll have to do your homework. You have to find CPC keywords with a high cost per click, and then you have to find the low competition as well. As I said, that you have to choose long-term keywords, and you have to figure out you have enough volume. So it's your own homework. They're not going to help you with keyword research. They are not going to tell you which keywords to target. Okay, they're going to give you a website. This website will be a fresh website, and then they're going to give you the content from YouTube videos, which is again either you do it from this dashboard, or you can go onto YouTube and just do it manually. It's up to you. Now let's say you have everything is in place, your blog is live. So your blog is live now here, and your website is good to go. Now there are two ways you can do this. Either you can get your blog live on their website, which is flare.com. So let's say if you make a website, now here I'll show you an example. Now let's say we click on add blog in the dashboard, and here we choose the topic as weight loss. You can choose your niche. Now we just put in the same for now. Here's everything will be weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. Now click on add blog here. So you see now this website is done. Okay, so this, if you click on it, it will open a new URL. So this is going to be a new website, weightloss.flaresfof.org. So either you start running your blogs on their website, on their subdomain, or you can actually transfer this blog to your own particular website, to your own personal domain if you have one. So for that you have to do some integrations. You might have to buy some higher packages or whatever. So you can do it two ways. If you do it in this way, like if you start the blog on their domain, flaressoft.org, then you will not get traffic, because if I copy this URL and we go into this website called hrefs.com/backlink checker here, because this is a fairly new domain, this will have no authority in Google search. So if you see here, it has 000, so domain rating 0, backlinks 0, reference domain 0. So if you start a blog on their platform, on their subdomain, on their website, which is flairsoft.org, you will not get any traffic because your blogs will not rank in Google because it's all 0. Okay. And also, let's say we find out when this domain was registered. So we go to whois.com and we put in this address here, and you can see this domain was registered on 3rd of June 2021. It's like 18 days ago. So it's a brand new domain registered 18 days ago only, and that means this website has no authority. So in this case, if you already have a blog which is like old enough, on which you have been getting some traffic, so you either take the content from the dashboard from here, you take those posts from here, and then you put it on your own domain. Okay, so this is one thing you can do. Apart from that, let's come back to the posting thing here. Now in poster, we have to put in the keyword here again, and then you have to click on Creative Commons videos, and you have to click on search. Now once you click on search, you're supposed to get some videos here, which we are not getting right now because I have not linked my YouTube channel. Okay, because if you come to integrations, this is not authenticated, so I'm supposed to link my YouTube channel here, but I'm not going to do that because it's a demo only. So yes, once this software gets live, you will have to link your YouTube ID here and then click on save. And once you hit save, then you go back to posting here and go to poster. And then once you type in a keyword here and then select the relevance, and here the videos or Creative Commons, and then click on search. So you're supposed to get a section of videos here, and then you will click on those videos, and those videos will get added here on your website along with the script, along with the transcript, along with the content. Okay, so if I try to play a video for you, like a demo here, let's see, it was in the dashboard somewhere. Okay, so here's the video. Let me minimize the sound.
A single line of text in premium quality video.
Okay, this is how the text is going to look like. So it's all, let's go back here.
Guys here, you enjoyed this demonstration.
All right, so you can check that on their JV page. They have this video there already, but it's like plain simple text in a notepad text format, so it's not fancy. It does feel that it has been copy and pasted only. There's no formatting. And then if you come to the section which says traffic monster, now all these people are saying that you get free traffic, buyer traffic, crap traffic, bullshit traffic. This is all it is. So here if you click, you see they are asking you to link your accounts to to this dashboard, and then start spamming your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp. Just spam everything. Okay, that's what that's what everybody is telling you to do in the name of free traffic or in the name of buyer traffic. Okay, so this is how it is. Now in order to summarize the problem here, summarize this concept or summarize the software, if you are going to use it only for scraping YouTube videos into text format, you can buy the software, you can use it for one time. Because see, if you have your own blogs and if you want to generate content all the time, so it's okay, because you can go into this posting thing here, you can click on poster, and then you can type in your keyword here, and then you can scrape those keywords from YouTube and those videos from YouTube, and then you can copy the transcript, and then you can spin that transcript or use it as it is on your other domain, on your actual blog, right? This is how you can get content. But if you're going to use it on their domain itself, which is flairsoft.org, then your blog has very less chances to rank, because it's fairly a new domain with no authority. All right, and then again, let's not forget, you will have to do the hard work. You have to find the high CPC keywords with low competition. So that's your own headache, that's your own job to do. Okay, now in the end, again, if you want to buy this software just to have some content created from YouTube videos, you can go ahead and buy it at a one-time cost. If you think this is a money-making machine, no, you will not make any money overnight, because see, understand the concept here. You have to get a website and blog live, and then you have to arrange traffic. You have to bring traffic to that blog, to that site, and then you have to hope that somebody will click on the ad, and then you'll have to wait for AdSense to give you money, because AdSense don't give you money until and unless there are $100 in your account. Okay, so you will not start making money from day one. Even if this thing works, this could take months and months before you actually get any money. So do not buy this software if you have that, you have in your mind that you will be rich or you will make some money with it. Don't buy this if you think this is going to make you money. Buy this only if you have a technical need, if you want to generate content, if you want to scrape content from YouTube videos, then you can go ahead and you can buy it. Okay, so let me delete my demo website from here, and I will come out of this dashboard as well. So again, these people are advertising everything. It's all the same, all those fake screenshots and everything. I was poor and I started using the software and I got rich, all that old crap. And at the bottom here, you can see the income disclaimer should be there. So what is the income disclaimer here? It's all, yeah, there it is. So it says this website in the items distributes contains strategies and all that. So it's all only tutorial and for disclaimer and all that. So they're not claiming that you will actually make some money. They're washing their hands with this disclaimer. So these people are making money because they're launching the softwares as a vendor on Warrior Plus. As an affiliate or as a product consumer, you will never make money. Okay, so if you consume this product, you buy this product, you are not going to make money. But yes, it might help you with something else. Please, it might help you with getting content, or it might help you getting YouTube videos, whatever. So it is not going to make you any money. But yes, if it's coming for 12 bucks, 15 bucks, and if you use it or keep it for long time purposes, for your blog purposes, for content purposes, you might want to give it a try. It's up, it's on you. Okay, so but don't buy it if you're thinking that this will make you money. No, this will not make you money. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and we'll just finish this video. It's getting longer, so thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll come back with another review video shortly.